Hello, it's that time of the month again. It's the 24th of the month, which means tomorrow is the cut-off date for my giveaway gift bundle prize draw. If you want to be in the draw on January the 1st, 2026, you have to join my club by close of play tomorrow, the 25th of December, and that's Christmas Day. And you're all going to be busy on Christmas Day, so why not have a look now? I've got 7 prizes to give away in my January giveaway gift bundle. What this is now that every time a product provider asks to send me something to review, I ask for 2 of them. And if they oblige, like they have with this chainsaw, Lively have sent me 2 electric chainsaws. I give one away to a club member. So one of them is for me, one of them is for you. I have a garden furniture cover. Now this is a high quality garden furniture cover from Bridgman. It's very large. It actually covers my 3-meter garden furniture. Now you might not want that, in which case if you win it, you can swap it for a voucher. I also have 2 torches from Sofern. These are beautiful little torches. I've taken one out of the box. Look at that, isn't it wonderful? I've done a review on it. It's a lovely thing. Very high powered, rechargeable. There's a yellow film on there. The light is actually white. That could fit in your pocket, or your handbag, or your wash bag, or your car. Lovely. I've got 2. I'm giving both away in the prize draw in January. Now look at these. These are from Claddist. Beautiful gloves. Got 5 layers of protection in there. They sent me 2 pairs. I'm keeping 1 pair because I've already used it quite a lot, but these are a brand new pair. They will be given away in my prize draw on January the 1st. Now you might recognise these if you've been following my channel, because these plant lights, indoor plant lights, were in the draw in December, but Charlie didn't want them, so they've been rolled over. So we've got some LED indoor plant lights in the prize draw for January. And the final prize is a nice story. Davey Monty joined the club and he paid more than enough. He paid double for his subscription. So he's decided, rather than have it refunded to him, to donate it as a prize for the January draw. So thank you, Davey, for that. Really appreciate it. So if you win that mystery prize, what we're going to do is we're going to let you choose something off Amazon to the value of £12, which was Davey's overpayment. And then when you tell us what you want, I will send it to you from my Prime account so that you don't have to pay any postage. We've got the £12. I'll spend it on your prize and you'll receive it from Amazon Prime. So there we go. The giveaway gift bundle prize draw for January. The cut-off date to be in the draw for January is the 25th of December. It's only £1 a month. You don't just get the prizes, you get the newsletter and lots of other stuff. But if you're interested, have a look at the website. There'll be a link in the description box below this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas, and I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.